मशहूर संगीतकार AR रहमान और उनकी बेटी खतीजा ने सुर्खियां बटोरी जब एक इवेंट पर खतीजा नकाब पहने नजर आई। इस इवेंट की एक तस्वीर AR रहमान ने ट्विटर पर शेयर की और लिखा, मेरे परिवार की अनमोल महिलाएं खतीजा, रहीमा और सायरा नीता अंबानी जी के साथ। इसके साथ उन्होंने हैशटैग डाला फ्रीडम टू चूज, यानी चुनने की आजादी। इस फोटो के बाद इंटरनेट पर हलचल मच गई। सोशल मीडिया पर यूजर्स ने खतीजा को नकाब पहनने को लेकर खरी खोटी सुनाई। बढ़ते रिएक्शंस को देख खतीजा नाराज हुई और फेसबुक के जरिए ट्रोलर्स को जवाब दिया। खतीजा ने अपने फेसबुक अकाउंट पर अपने ही एक व्हाट्सएप मैसेज का पोस्ट शेयर किया। मुझे लेकर मेरे पिता के साथ काफी चर्चाएं हो रही है, जबकि मैंने इतनी ज्यादा प्रतिक्रिया की उम्मीद नहीं की थी। हालांकि कुछ कमेंट्स में कहा गया है कि मेरे कपड़े मेरे पिता द्वारा मुझे थोपे गए हैं और वो दोहरे मानदंड अपनाते हैं। मैं ये कहना चाहूंगी कि मेरी जिंदगी में मैं जो कपड़े पहनती हूँ या चुनती हूँ उसका मेरे माता पिता से कोई संबंध नहीं है। हर एक इंसान को अपनी पसंद के कपड़े चुनने या जो करना चाहे वो करने का अधिकार है और मैं यही कर रही हूँ। कृपया स्थिति को समझे, बिना अपने नतीजे ना निकाले। 10 Years ऑफ स्लमडॉग मिलियनेयर इवेंट पर खतीजा ने साड़ी के ऊपर नकाब से अपना चेहरा ढक दिया था और इसी को लेकर वो ट्रोल्स का शिकार हुई और यही कारण है कि उन्हें सामने आकर जवाब देना पड़ा। खतीजा के जवाब पर आपके क्या रिएक्शंस है? पोस्ट करिए अपने कमेंट्स।
So yeah, today I'm supposed to interview you, but I thought I'd slightly change the format. So, with all due respect and humility, the world sees you for your awards and accomplishments. But for me, I think the most important thing that you've done as a father is the values you've taught us. So, what I want to say is that your humility matters the most for me. Not an atom of your character has changed ever since you won the Oscars. 10 years back and now you're still the same. It's just that maybe the time you've spent with us has reduced. But I think you're making it up now by taking us on short trips. So, one more thing which I want to say is I'm deeply inspired by your generosity. Although we do a lot of initiatives through the foundation, there are a lot of things which you do which you don't tell us, and I come to know through third persons that, oh, your dad's done this, and I'm like, okay, I didn't know. So what you give in your right hand, your left hand doesn't know, and I think you're the perfect example for that. I think this is something which I value my father for the most than the awards or anything which he has got. And the third thing is your sensitivity and your respect towards people. You don't value people for their background or anything. It's the character which matters and the work which they do. So this important thing which I learned is pay the laborer his wages before his sweat dries. So this is something which my father follows. I'm so proud to say that. He follows the Prophet peace be upon him. So I think this is something which I'm deeply inspired than all the awards or anything which he has won. And what advice would you like to give us in future? Because all three of us are starting our careers. So if you could tell us, that would be really great. And for the rest of the people to take back home today.
I don't know. Actually, I thought you were going to ask me a question. I don't give advices. I think when you grow up, when all three of you grew up, I made sure that I teach you all the things I learned when I grew up, what my mom taught me. And now you need to follow your heart and your instincts and pray to God and He'll guide you.